Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Copy.ai for ad variations and landing page testing. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Copy.ai account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the project section and click on New Project. Select that Ad Variations template from the available options. Input key details about your product or service in the designated fields. Specify your target audience for more tailored ad variations. Click on the Generate button to produce multiple ad copies. Review the generated ad variations carefully for relevance and tone. Select the variations that resonate best with your marketing goals. Next, save your selected ad copies into a new document. Now, return to the dashboard to start on landing pages. Click on New Project again. This time, choose the landing page template. Provide a brief description of your product or service for context. Include any specific features or benefits you want to highlight. Click Generate to create multiple landing page options. Evaluate each generated landing page for effectiveness and clarity. Choose the landing page variations you believe will perform best. Save your final selections to a new document for your records. Once you have your ad variations and landing pages, it's time for testing. Set up a controlled environment for your ad and landing page experiments. Utilize A/B testing tools to compare the different variations. Monitor performance metrics closely during the testing phase. After a predefined period, analyze the data to determine which versions excelled. Implement the winning ad variations and landing pages in your marketing strategy. Keep iterating based on ongoing feedback and results for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.